Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Alright, to all my lovely, beautiful people. So, what I want to talk about today, the product to take care of our beautiful skin, is Garnier Skin BB. Now, I know y'all might think, what does this do? Is it good for your skin? Is it bad? What does it do? Okay. So here is all the instructions at the back that it basically has. It helps for brightening your skin. So this is how it works. So I bought this last month. I bought this, and I basically put it on my skin, and it basically have like a shine glow. So I can just show you why I'm filming. I'm just putting just a little bit in my hand, okay? And maybe this is too much, but and you're just rubbing on your skin, and you rub it everywhere. They say it's good for your neck, and it just gives you that like shine glow. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but it gives you this nice shine beautiful glow. And I can tell you this is such a good thing. It's good for hydration, brightening, renews, hydrate for 24 hours and even, and it's just good. It helps for dry skin as well, normal dry skin. And you apply this 5-in-1 miracle, your skin will shine. So I don't know if you're gonna see it as clearly, but right now, like my face is really shine, and I can tell you, I really like this thing, and I really enjoy just putting it on. And I see this on commercial. They always have a lot of stuff on Garnier. They have the cloth, they have the liquid. So I never heard nothing bad about this, but I like it so far. It's just nice and nice for the skin, and this helps for your skin to look bright. Like you might see a glow. Maybe see the glow right here right now. You might see a little glow right now, but other than that, like I like this thing, and here's a website that I will be um, putting on. But what I want to talk about, I will be mentioning in a video. It's called Influencer. So I'm gonna show you the app on my phone, so you guys don't be all confused and be like, "What are you talking about?" Okay? So this is called Influencer. Okay, so it's basically like you put your name, your profile, and you basically put like you can talk about makeup, what type of product you like to use, and I basically like to do that, so I might talk about it in a video one day, and knowing like why I like influencer and what you do on there and stuff like that. And whatever you get like a comment, people will comment on your video and say, "Is this stuff good?" and blah 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 blah. Sometimes you will get comments from people that you don't even know. But I post this on my influencer and all the other stuff that I used to post, and I can tell y'all it's amazing. So if you want more of this information, I will put it in the description. The website's hard to see. It's down here, like somewhere down here. So I'll put it in the somewhere right there. But more than I can tell you, I would do like a little talk about this influencer thing and what you can do on there, and you can actually follow people. People can follow you on there and do whatever you want. But when I first find out about this thing, and I'm like, what do they really do? This is good, and I could tell. Look, I could tell like a kind of glow. You might not see it right now, but so amazing, and recommend try this. They have different types. They have lighter ones, they have darker ones, like I have the dark one. And this is normal to dark skin. So I have medium dark right now. So this is the medium dark right there. And yes, I can tell y'all, if you are a person that wants your skin to glow and look good, buy this, or you can buy something more different for your skin. But yeah, I don't know why. I like taking care of my skin, and it's like it's so nice when you see these things like commercial. You can be like, "Yep, I'm gonna try this on my skin and see if it looks good on me." So I recommend buy this. Put it in the description. I will put the influencer website so you guys can check it out. Because one day I will be talking about influencer and what stuff you can do on there and how to be creative. You can even add videos. You can have pictures, you can have videos. So I'll try my best to tell y'all what I did on there. And yeah, that will be coming up soon because it's like what makeup and all these cool things. I will be talking about that in a video and hopefully like it will help you and stuff like that. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope that like my videos is motivating you and you're getting to understand like my channel is about how to put on makeup and why I like makeup and why makeup is so fun. It's like doing art. So yeah, so this is my favorite so far. 2021 Garnier. Like everything about Garnier, you gotta just try it and buy it. Yeah, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy this. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you want more beauty tips, makeup tips. Give me a comment down below in the description. I would love to help you guys. And yeah, to all my lovely, beautiful people, hope you enjoy this. And give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me. Let's be YouTube friends. And yeah. And we can talk about anything on here. Any makeup tips or advice, all these things. That's what I'm here for, is to help you guys. Okay? So hope you guys enjoy this and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next upload. Okay? Bye!